Hi everyone, welcome to the first in the series of video workshops that I'll be giving, teaching you some practical skills that you can use on the computer. This one I'm going to be teaching you how to install the LBEC, that's the Little Burgundy Employment Center toolbar, and you can do this from your home. And the toolbar is basically a little strip that comes up along your internet browser that gives you quick access to all kinds of great resources, learning resources for learning languages. You can also have some resources for learning computer skills as well. Tons of links around the Little Burgundy community, and also some really interesting and useful tools. Stuff like the Tout Azimut to find transportation around Montreal. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the desktop. Now we're going to go to Start and up to Internet Explorer here. We'll open up our web page. Okay, now you can also install the toolbar on Mozilla Firefox, but I'll teach you how to do that in another lesson. So here in the address bar, we're going to select the text. It'll all be selected, and we're just going to delete everything that's there. And in here, we're going to type in lbec.org. That's lbec.org. Press enter. And it's going to bring us to the Little Burgundy Employment Center web page, where you also find a lot of really great resources on finding jobs, on using computers, as well as learning English and French. Okay, over in the left-hand column, we're going to click on Computer Skills. And we'll wait for that to go. And click here, next window. Okay, here it's going to ask you to sign in. We're not going to sign in right now, we're just going to log in as guest, but when you have some time I encourage you to go in and create an account where you can then comment on different lessons. So this now is the Computer Skills web page, and we're going to scroll down using our scrolling button or your mouse wheel if you have one. We're going to go all the way down to Downloads, okay? And here you'll see the LBEC logo and the download button. We're going to click that button. Now here we are on the download page. You'll see Download Toolbar. We're going to click on that and wait. Now next you're going to see a window that comes up that says, do you want to run or save this file? We're going to click on Run. And we're going to wait for the download to finish. Downloading basically means taking information that exists on the internet and putting it onto your computer, so putting it into your little computer box. And once that's done, we're going to wait, and we're going to see a window that says, do you want to run this software? We're going to click on Run. And it's going to bring up our installation window, wizard, which will help us to put our toolbar onto the computer. So we're going to uncheck the first, set the Little Burgundy Employment Center. We're going to uncheck that. We're going to uncheck that one as well. And we're going to uncheck the last one, enable me to get alerts. So that's all of them unchecked. Here's the little contract. Feel free to read over that. And then click Agree. And you'll see a little process bar. Now we're just waiting. And there we go. As you can see, right here we have the Little Burgundy toolbar. So here you can do Google searches, you can choose your search engine, Wikipedia, dictionary, images. You also have a link directly to the LBEC website that you can click at all times. Under Learning, you've got all the different language tools, some general learning stuff, as well as the different computer and technology courses. Under Community, a lot of different stuff in the Little Burgundy area. We've got our job search section with different job listings. Everyday life, a ton of different really useful tools that you can go through. And you can click this little over button and it'll bring up some other things that you have. Fun, motivation, This is just a motivational quote of the day, and the weather in Montreal. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email isplichti, Lichti, @lbec.org. Thanks for following along. Bye.